Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to use Google Forms for registration. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. Here we can see different kind of templates of Google Forms. So we are going to select event registration. So it is going to open a form about registration of any certain event. So let me show you how to actually edit everything over here. So you can see an option called event timing. So you can actually edit it and turn it as it is given 2016. So you're going to edit it and make it 2025, and there will be the deadline and everything. And if you scroll down, you will see many other options where you can actually change the event date and different types of options which you can actually edit. So if you want to add more responses, you can see an icon plus icon on the right corner, and you can actually add more questions and more responses in this form. So here's an example on how you can create a new question. So I'm going to write a question right here and type in, are you interested in our merchandise? And then I will add options saying yes or no. And then our question is ready actually. So we can click on publish and then basically have responders. That means anyone with the link can respond to this form and then successfully publish the form. And if you share it with others, then they can actually register to your event. So that's how you actually use Google Forms for registration. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be glad to help you guys. If you want to see more of us on your newsfeed, then you can subscribe to our channel. And we will see you guys in the next video.